love driving fast. So fast that my blood boils. And today I came to do just that. So many messages on Instagram asking me what is the best driving road in the south of France, because so many people during the summer, and I mean whole year round, come to the south of France, Monaco, Nice, Cannes, Saint-Tropez, etc., to actually drive and bring their cars. I will be honest with you, this was also kind of my childhood dream, as drive to the south of France with any car. It's probably those Top Gear special episodes that make us dream about that. And I finally decided to make a video and bring you guys out with me onto what I think is the ultimate and the best driving road. For me, an ultimate driving road needs to check several boxes. Number one is, I would say, wide enough. Number two, have nice turns, not too sharp, long. Yes, like that. Very important criteria for the perfect, the ideal road is no cars, no caravans, tranquility and peace. And look at this. I'm standing here for the past 20 minutes, had a quick lunch sandwich, and I swear there's been only 2 cars. Look at this. I'm standing in the middle of the road. My little GT3 right there. There's literally no one. Can't even like hear a thing. And believe it or not, I'm literally like 1 hour 20 away from Monaco. Like, wake me up? Am I dreaming? Oh. Yes, shift down to the second. We're going a little downhill. Everything is flying around. Second gear, full throttle. 8,000 RPM. Bam! For me, a dream road is a road where I can do this. If we can't do this, then that ain't no dream road. We are 1 hour 20, maybe hour away from Monaco. You have to go direction Vence. I will put a little Google map thing right here. There is an uphill to the Col de Vence, which is also pretty sweet, but then the fun starts
just before you start hitting Grès-Ollier.
And you start hitting those rocky tunnels, which are just insane. You pass through them and and you kind of go up on the second level of mountain climbing. And then what opens up in front of you is basically, I would probably say 3 hours of driving as much as you want. Obviously, I just did like a tour, probably 20, half an hour. For me, the best road is something that when you get on it, you look in front of you, it's so beautiful. And the way that you connect to it with your car, you just start forgetting everything that's happening around you in your normal life. And I think this road gives me exactly this feeling. This road is so cool. I bet even if you're driving a camper van here, you're like, wow, this is pretty cool. Yes. The stunning views. It's really funny because when you start driving this road, so down in Vence, you're like, oh my God, this is really good. And then like during 30 minutes, 40, it just keeps on getting better and better. Because wow, look at those views. And with the sound of the GT3, that just feels even better. Yes, this is my favorite part with the rocks. Yes. Before going up a road like that, the sport mode has to be activated together with a gearbox in full manual mode so that we can do this. Wow, heavy on the brakes, downshift third. Yes, it's sunset, so it makes everything just that much better. Second gear into this one. Little brake and then keep on going because we can see far away into the straight, so there are no oncoming traffic, so we can cut the corners a little bit. Ah! Yes, accelerating into the corners. Braking third gear. I'll keep the speed a secret for now. It's also really warm today, so we actually do have some nice grip. What's really crazy is that I can hear my exhaust echoing in the whole valley and also like bouncing off the mountains there. This is a tricky little section here because we don't know what's coming, and this is kind of the most fun of driving mountain roads. You never know what's there. Maybe there's a caravan, a biker. So kind of always have to be cautious. Cut the little corner here, still in the second gear because let's not forget this is a GT3, so we can go up to 9,000 RPM without shifting. Yes, gorgeous. Cut the corner, up, brake, downshift. Yes. Ah. That was so cool. Oh. Oh, even my ears got blocked. Oh la la la. That was amazing. It was like what, probably 3 minutes of just pure and utter fun. And it's Friday evening. And I'm really happy about that because there's just not that many cars on the road. So you can go a bit harder on that. Wow, look at the views, look at the trees. I'm happy today. I'm happy this one video a week thing makes me go out and drive and like use the car and go to the roads that I wouldn't normally go on a Friday. I would probably go here like once in 3 months, once in 4 months. So this is super cool. I'm happy, and thank you guys for being here with me as well, because you are the driver of what's happening, and I hope that I'm able to motivate you as well and inspire you to go and find cool places wherever you live. And if you're in the south of France, well, now you know where to go. You have the road, and the fun part is that this road, you can like keep on driving this road forever and ever. It doesn't really end because it doesn't end. This is fun. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Tell me in the comments if you know any other cool roads here, and maybe tell your best road in your region, so people watching this video and reading the comments, maybe they live where you live and they will learn something new about where they can go for a cool drive, and I will slowly head home all happy. See you in the next video next week, guys. Cheers. Bye bye.